Good morning, everyone. I am Imra Atushafa from Mula Warman University, and today at the first International Conference on Business, Economics, Accounting, and Technology 2025. I am delighted to my present my research Gen Z and pay later analyze of processing decisions of e-commerce platform in Samarinda City. Background and problem. The development of e-commerce in Indonesia has experienced significant growth, marked by an increase in transaction values and the growing use of pay-later services. Gen Z dominates internet penetration at 31.40%. As a generation that actively utilize digital services, the presence of the pay later feature offer convenience and flexibility in making payments. But behind this convenience lies the perception of risk such as debt, penalties, and impulsive purchases. Previous research has shown differences in the influence of transaction convenience and risk perception on processing decision. In addition, research in certain areas is still very limited, opening up opportunities for researchers to analyze Gen Z processing decisions using the pay later feature on e-commerce platform in Samarinda City. Objective and method. This study aims to analyze the effect of transaction convenience and risk perception on processing decisions using the pay later feature on e-commerce platform among Gen Z in Samarinda City. The study uses a quantitative approach which is associative method and multiple linear regression analysis, SPSS 27. Data were collected through a questionnaire with a 5-point Likert scale. The population in this study, one Gen Z in Samarinda City, who used the pay later feature, with a sample size of 100 using purposive sampling technique. Result and discussion. Key finding the result of the t-test for the transaction convenience variable show a significant value of 0.000, which is smaller than the alpha value of 0.05, meaning that transaction convenience partially influences purchasing decisions. The risk perception variable show a significant value of 0.485, which is greater than the alpha value of 0.05, meaning that risk perception does not partially influence purchasing decisions. Meanwhile, the F-test results show a significant value of 0.000, which is smaller than the alpha value of 0.05, meaning that both variables make a positive contribution and are strong indicator of consumer purchasing decisions, especially for Gen Z who use the pay later feature in Samarinda City. Interpretation of result. The result of the study indicate that transaction convenience has a positive and significant relationship with processing decisions. While risk perception does not significantly influence processing decision using the pay later feature on e-commerce platform among Gen Z in Samarinda City. These findings are in line with previous research and are reinforced by the technology acceptance model, TAM, which asserts that transaction convenience is related to perceived is obvious, which can increase technology acceptance and influence purchasing decisions. Furthermore, the theory of planned behavior, TPB, asserts that an individual's decision is influenced by attitude and perceived behavioral control, even though there are some risk and concern. An individual still exhibits a positive attitude and perception, meaning that perceived risk does not become a barrier to using the pay later feature. Implication of findings. Theoretically significant. This finding reinforces the TAM, which suggests that transaction convenience is a key factor in technology acceptance. In indicator of theory TPB confirm that perceived behavioral control is more dominant in influencing processing decision than perceived. Um, Policy significant. The result of this study call for regulator and financial authorities to continue to encourage in innovation in digital financial service and ensure that the use of financial feature remains safe. Practical significant. Pay service providers and e-commerce platform need to maintain and continue to innovate to improve convenience, build consumer the trust and ensure the long-term sustainability of their services. Thank you. That concludes my presentation.